Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another round of challenge entries and my last round. This is the last video. My nail ripping package is open and it's done. And this is the last video. Super sad, super excited. You know, I get to pick a winner after this, write everybody's number down and draw from a box. But thank you everyone who entered, and let me just get right on into this one. Okay, so look at this. This first one is from Linda Kreig or Kreig. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing your last name right. And look how cute, you guys. Look at them. They're like little flat style, like fancy shoes, like high heels kind of, but without the heel. Look at, she's got little bows. They're puffed up. I don't know if she stuck something in there to make it like puff up and give it dimension. Look, it literally looks like pairs of flats that I have. She's layered the inside piece, the sole of the shoe, the little ankle pieces. It's got a cute little matching purse that she even embossed. Tiny little bow with gems. And then another pair down here that matches, coordinating. Look how cute. These are so fancy and cute. Absolutely love these. And I don't have anything like this embellishment. So thank you, Linda. Little boxes that she made. Oh my gosh, look at it. This is a fun die or cut file. Let's see here. I want to. So the lid has like a little like a background style die. Look how cute that is. And then on the inside, oh my gosh, she's really made like a 3D purse, you guys. Look at this. It's got the little handcrafted. Either yeah, it might be a stamp. I think that's a stamp. Look at this little 3D purse, you guys. Cute little polka dot sparkly paper. Look how absolutely cute this is. Look at the flowers she's layered several times, you guys. Girl, these are so cute. And then look at the heels. The shoes to go with it. Look at, see what I'm talking about? Like the detail of this. And look at like the dimension on here. Polka dot flats to go with this fancy, cute, embellished purse, you guys. How adorable is this, Linda? I can't. And then look at this box right here. She's got a little shape with the pocket behind it. Not pocket. Acetate. Can't talk. Oh, okay. So these are her die cuts. Super cute. So she's got little like teacups. Let's see. Yep, and she's cut it out like a million times for me. Thank you so much, girly. And then this one is a different like shape style of teacup. Super cute. And all sorts of pretty fun pink floral papers that she used. Yes, yes, yes. And then look at this one. It's a cute little pastel pink flower, and then she's included the little leaf piece that goes with it. And then she's just got some gem shaker bits in there. Love, love, love those gems and that die. And then look at this one. Let's see what this is. Oh, so she's got the little these go together. Like this goes on the, what's this thing called? Like a saucer plate, like this. And then the little tiny tags, kind of like what she did on this purse over here. The little tag hanging down, but you could do that with the little tea, like a little tea bag is in there. And she even included the gold twine to go with it. How fun is that? Thank you so much, Linda, and thank you for playing. Absolutely love this. This was super fun. Entry is from Vivian Holloway. She sent in a St. Patrick's Day theme. Come on, camera. Pocket letter. Super green and festive. Oop, this fell out somewhere. I read her letter, but if I undo it, you can see her info on the back of this little Project Life style card. So up here, she's got the little leprechaun hat right here. She said making pocket letters are her favorite. Then she's got this little one right here. She's layered it with the gold and the paper, the green paper. Oh, look at this one. Pot of gold. She's got a little like 3D style sticker in there. Little, come on camera. Layered it multiple times. Then she's got the two little shamrocks, and she even has a little shaker section in the very middle that she sealed up with some washi tape. And down here, Luck of the Irish. This one says Ireland. This cute little rainbow one over here. The pot of gold. And then in the back, she's got little goodies. How cute. Little shamrock paper clip. And then there was one more paper clip right here. I think it might have fell out from there. She sent in a little, what is this? A bracelet, like those rubber style bracelets. It says good luck. And then she's got some stickers in here. I guess I don't have to take all this out, right? And then she's got some little gems down there, shaped like little 3-leaf clovers. a little pin that says "Kiss Me, I'm Irish," and 2 little gold coins. How fun and festive is this one? Thank you so much, Vivian, for playing. This next one is from Lydia Ordonez. I hope I'm pronouncing that. I will link everybody's information down below. This is her little card she made. Come on, camera. Okay, so look at this. These are her rosettes she made. She used a gorgeous pink, like, and teal floral paper. So, so pretty. And then she's got the little doily style in the background with the little scallop style flower as the very base part. Gorgeous little flower gem in the center. And then look at the topper. She just did a big giant bow that like takes up the whole top part. Super cute. Love. And then this one right here, she stuck the 2 pieces of cardstock in like pre-packaged, like how you guys can cover up and reuse repackaging. Again, she did the scallop with the doily, gorgeous paper like with wood grain on it. Love the bow, so cute. Love, love, love. Thank you so much. I love those. Okay, and then this little bag of goodies. Look at this, you guys. Cute little coffee cup and a pizza. It says "Create" on the back. These are her die cuts. Oh, look how cute. Oh, wow, I've never seen anything like this. It's like a puzzle style banner that just folds, but it can open up. It says hello. Got the cute little flowers. This one has the little love. Look how cute. And this is so tiny, you guys. And then this last one says shine, and she's got the little bow. And you see how it like is held together on these little like, looks like those baby toys that like link together. How cute and fun is that? I've never seen that. Thank you. And this little bag of good, oh my gosh. Bag toppers in like solid colors. Yes, yes, yes. Little tags. Scalloped square and oh, that's a heart. That's this one right here. Big giant tag in really pretty mint color. And she's got some scallop circles right here. I'll try to go semi-fast. Cute little, looks like a bottle shape. Some ovals and some cardstock. Super cute scallop, flower, ticket styles, a cute little owl. Look at that little fox. I've gotten a couple of those foxes. This bird. Love this little scallop one. Cute little heart ones. Hearts and ovals. Oh, look at this little typewriter. That's a fancy detailed typewriter. Very cute. Oh, look at this little heart flower one. Again with the flower. Look at this cute like little bird cage style one with the layering piece. Doilies. Memory decks that she cut out in different pattern paper and different shapes of memory decks. Super cute. Somebody else did this too. Great idea. And then a little bicycle. Thank you so much, Lydia, for playing. Next one is from Donna Wilbur. And you guys, she accidentally sent the wrong swap to the wrong like group. Like this should have been for Ida's group. But it accidentally got to sent to me, but it was too late. So she said, just keep it. So this will be her entry for mine, you guys. Look at, she did an entire loaded bag with this gorgeous paper, like, bag, like mermaid style. She's got the little butterflies on here. Hold on, camera. Like a little like wreath style going on. Look at this paper in the background, so glittery and sparkly. And let's take out this. She's got this tag, you guys. Look at this. So it's like all layered up, very dimensional. Little teacup like staggered inside of each other. She's got the little flower to match the front of it. Look at that paper, stunning. And then look at this, you guys. She's got the topper right here with the little key. Everything's all layered up. Little bag topper. And look at these rosettes. I don't know if she used to, oh, these aren't rosettes. See, look, guys. It even says to Ida. Okay, so let me open this real quick. You know, stuff like that happens, you know. I've seen it happen before, you know, wrong stuff gets labeled, you know, stuff happens. Okay, so these are bag toppers. At first I thought it was a cupcake liner embellishment, but it's actually that on top of a bag topper right here. It's got the purple on the inside, I mean the outside. She's got this little shabby chic flower with a center stone. So cute. And she's got this one right here. Again, a bag topper. She's got the little feather. Again, with that shabby purple flower. Matching cohesive. Then we have this one right here. And look at these fun bags. They're like a holographic style. With a cute little bear with the teacup. Look, you guys. This is like chipboard style. She's got the little flowers right here. Teacups, again, staggered inside of each other. Little trim at the top. So cute. And then look at this, you guys. She has a dangle charm on here. Let's get a close-up. Come on, camera. So she's got all these like fancy beads. Look at this flower. All sorts of cuteness. Look at that little teacup pot. How cute at the very end. And then even more goodies on the inside. Oh my gosh, girly. I feel bad, but you said you already sent Ida a new one. Okay, so this, what is tea for you? It's got the little bear, the little flower right here with some trim. This one pops. Oh my gosh, get it? It's got the tea and the little cookie to go with it. How cute. And like a little book style embellishment. How cute is that? And then it closes right back up. Super cute. And then, ooh, what's this? Open this up. Goodies, tear me apart and use. Enjoy. Guys, that were, so she got the shabby little flower, a little sequins mix. Look at this. It's like a little umbrella, you guys, with a little hat. And then look at the trim around the waistband that you can use. Little flowers, a little wand, little dress form that she decorated and covered in fabric. So that's why she was saying tear me apart. How fun is that? Super cute. There's the back. So sorry that happened to you, Donna, but at least it went to somebody and not lost in the mail, right? So thank you. This last one is from Lily. You guys all know her. She's Crafting with Liller on YouTube and on Instagram. And this is her entry. Oops, dropping everything. Ta-da! Look at this little, I think she copied Alice's tutorial. Look at, so it's like a little tiny little like coin purse style embellishment, you guys. Like how cute is that? Shaker, and she's sewed like all around, oh come on, sewed all around the edge, even on, you can see from the back side that she did. It's got this cute little button right here. Gorgeous little foiling paper in the background, and on the, look at the little corners. Super cute, girly. And yes, look at this umbrella. Oh my gosh, this is so much bigger in person than I thought it was gonna be. Look, it's got the little pom-pom. She stitched each of these like little sections. It's lined on gold glitter. Yes, look how cute these are. And the little like handle part of the umbrella, and this is all puffed up. Jeez, girl. Oh, it's on a stick, probably to make it sturdy. That's a good idea. Super cute, girly. Thank you so much for playing. And that is it, you guys, for entries. The game is over. The challenge is like officially over since I showed all of the videos. Stay tuned. You guys will see a video and within the next couple days of me. You know, I got to write all the numbers down, cut them all up, put them in a bucket. So give me a day or two. And I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.